Good morning. Often the question of date of birth, changing the date of birth was the major issues, and multi number of judges cases were reported, particularly Dr. A.S. Anand case and one Karnataka uh, judge case who was about to serve more year according to his earlier date of birth certificate, but he was forced to retire when Justice N.K. Jain was our Chief Justice of Tamil Nadu. So everywhere the date of birth certificates earlier when we I was admitted in school. I was admitted in school along with my elder sister. And that time no birth certificate, no registration of birth certificate, corporation records, because I was born in at home. My date of birth was given by my mother by preparing some jadagam. She gave my date of birth as 3/7/1953. But actual my date of birth was 29/6/1954. But that did not concern me during my education and employment, central government, wherever. But sometimes the people suffer for wrong declaration. But this case is surprising. Why this boy wanted this date of birth should be reduced to 2023 instead of 2004. I do not know the reason, whatever it may be. But the judgment is very good. This is AAR 2025 Jammu Kashmir 113. AAR 2025 Jammu and Kashmir 113. Mahin Tikku versus Union of India and others, which deals with the Central Board of Secondary Education. So the petitioner was a boy, aged 20 years. His date of birth, corporation authorities, PAN card, Aadhaar card, everything says 28/11/2003. When he was admitted in school, his date of birth certificate, which was given to and handed over to school authorities, was actually containing 28/11/2003, but something had done, the age was altered to 2004. Therefore, it was their objections, and the Jammu Kashmir High Court judge held that since he was not responsible, the minor was not responsible for wrong certificate, but actually he was in possession of valid documents of authorities like municipal authorities and PAN card and Aadhaar card. So the High Court directed the Central Board authorities, Central Board secondary school authorities, to issue corrected certificate, and the petitioner was directed to hand over the original certificates to them. And this judgment deals with under what circumstances the birth certificate can be altered. And that rules were there elicited under so many provisions which you can go through it very clearly. And another aspect was the Supreme Court judgments were discussed. This is Sitco versus Vasudha Gorakhnath Mandelkar, 2009 7 SEC 283. Then another Supreme Court judgment, Biradmal Singhvi versus Anand Purohit, AR 1988 SC 1796. And yet another judgment was also discussed. That judgment deals with so many acts, how to presume, how to not to presume, so many things are there. All that you can, you may go with this entire judgment if you want to challenge any date of birth certificate to be changed, and when it was denied you want to file it. So this is what fantastic guidelines for advocates to get birth certificate. Best wishes.